The pandemic has created many challenges for people, as we know, from loss of housing and evictions to domestic violence as people were ordered to shelter down. Oftentimes, turning to an attorney for help is something you can't afford.
No, earlier today I spoke with Legal Assistance of Olmsted County, a nonprofit organization that provides free civil legal services to low-income people, about seeing an increase in need in their services. Joining me now is Karen Nath, the Executive Director of Legal Assistance of Olmsted County. Your offices have been very busy following the pandemic, much like every industry right now, backed up in cases, things like that. What were some of the biggest issues that you saw following the pandemic through your offices?
I certainly think we've seen a tremendous rise in domestic violence, unfortunately, and not just in the number of domestic violence cases, but in the severity of the type of domestic violence. So that's frightening and scary, and unfortunately, most of those victims of domestic violence desperately need an attorney with regard to an order for protection or a harassment restraining order. The other area that we've seen a lot of need for civil legal aid is in the area of custody and parenting time. So during COVID, because of all of the restrictions or vaccines or masking, parents didn't necessarily agree on what the standards should be or what their children should do. So it is complicated custody and parenting time arrangements. And now we're in the process of untangling some of those.
Wow, very interesting. Now, so how does your office help in those cases? You are a nonprofit that supports a number of low-income families.
LAOC was created by the Olmsted County Bar Association almost 50 years ago. We'll celebrate our 50th anniversary this year. We represent low-income individuals in the area of family law, housing law, and domestic violence with our staff attorney program. But we also have about 60 volunteer attorneys in the community who volunteer, and they help to staff free legal clinics. We have family law clinics and financial law clinics, expungement clinics. We do clinics with IMAA and the Women's Shelter, Senior Low-Income Wills Clinic. So our volunteers are just critical and essential to delivery of services. But the need has increased dramatically, more than we could have ever believed.
And so, your offices are pretty unique that you guys only support Olmsted County, right?
Legal Assistance of Olmsted County focuses only on Olmsted County residents in poverty. So that's a huge benefit to this community. The other benefit is we work hand in hand with a lot of the other nonprofits who serve people in poverty. We work in close association with Olmsted County Social Services, the Women's Shelter, Victim Services, etc. So I think this is a tremendous benefit to the residents of Olmsted County.
Absolutely, and when you think about, supporting this organization, and you said that earlier, not a lot of people think about supporting lawyers, but we all need, at some point in our life, we all need a lawyer. Right. So why is it so important that people should invest dollars in a nonprofit like this one?
Well, like we were talking about, nobody likes lawyers. It's just a given fact. And it's much nicer to, support a charity like Ronald McDonald House. But people no matter what your walk of life is or what your socioeconomic status is, if you're facing a domestic violence issue or a dissolution or custody and parenting time, loss of housing, you need to have a lawyer on your side to help you navigate the judicial system. And that's impossible for someone who can barely put milk on the table. Right. So legal aids were created to allow access to justice and a voice in the justice system for people in poverty. And that's why it's so important that people in this community support LAOC financially. We also have some volunteer opportunities as well. But we're a very important nonprofit, not one that is commonly talked about in terms of profits in the community, but we stabilize families, we stabilize kids, we allow men and women to go to work knowing that they have a lawyer to help them with their case.
Thank you so much, Karen, for sharing your story about the organization and all of the work that you're doing for our community.
Thank you for having me very much.
We really appreciate it. Thank you. To support the work that they do, staff at LAOC are holding their annual fundraiser tomorrow night. It is happening at Rochester's Civic Center from 5 to 9:30 at the art area. The event includes auctions, gambling, and a cocktail hour. Tickets are $100 at the door, and 100% of the proceeds go to providing legal counsel to those who cannot afford it.
Yeah,